my channel, Cooking in Siargao. Now I am going to share the recipe of garlic butter shrimp. Easy to prepare para sa mga seafoods lovers like me. Ingredient we need for this recipe are shrimp. I have 1 kilo of shrimp here. I already cleaned this one like this big. And butter. This is 100 grams of butter. 1 whole minced garlic. Black ground pepper, salt, and I have lemon. We do like this, mga cooking ina, like this. And we need to put our salt. We salt first our shrimp. We do like this, mga cooking ina. Next, we're going to cook in my stew. And now, mga cooking ina, our garlic butter shrimp is plated. And I'm going to put our lemon. The lemon can garnish as well. Lemon is help to take away the smell of the seafood, mga cooking ina. So we do like that so that it's look beautiful, our food. And appealing, our shrimp, mga cooking ina. Then, little bit of spring onion, just chick. And now, look mga cooking ina, our garlic buttered shrimp is plated. It's beautiful and appealing. And I'm going to try mga cooking ina. I love seafoods, mga cooking ina. It smells good. Wait, I'd like to put a sauce. I like butter. Ooh, it smells good. Wow. Very good, mga cooking ina. It's lami, mga cooking ina. Hope you try my recipe of a garlic butter shrimp, mga cooking ina, for your family as well. And thank you for watching and joining me here in my kitchen. Hope you like it. And please like, share, comment, subscribe, and press the bell button for your notification. Bye! God bless everyone!